Okay, welcome back, children. Fill in the blanks with the suitable answer. If yesterday was Sunday, today is Monday, children. See, what is the question? Yesterday was Sunday. What is today? Monday. After Sunday, Monday. See, we have written. If today is Friday, tomorrow will be, see here, if today is Friday, tomorrow will be Saturday. So, Saturday. If yesterday was Wednesday, then today is Thursday and tomorrow will be Friday. The day after Monday is Tuesday. Tuesday comes after Monday. The day before Thursday is Wednesday. Today is Saturday. Yesterday was Friday. And tomorrow is Sunday. If Monday is, next day is Tuesday. Okay, children. Next, coming here, we have months. So far here, we have 12 months in a year. See, 1 year, we have 12 months. First month is January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, these are 12 months in a year. We have two months having 31 days, months having 30 days, months having least number of days. See how many the days have been written here. How many months are there? 31 days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 months. Which are those we have to write here? UARY. January. Okay. March. And then May. This also should be written in the capital. July. October. Three, 4, 5, 6. August, October, December, January, March, May, July, August, October, December. Okay, then April, June, September, November, see, what all? April, 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 months. Next, least number of days is February. That is 28 or 29. Leap year will be having 29 days, whereas 28 days. year starts with the January and ends with December. All the months of the year in your hand. See, to know how January, see, I'll show you this. You have to check with your hand. 12 months equals to 365 days. We have 12 months, that is 365 days. In some years we find 366 days, that is leap year. Leap year means February will be having 29 days, that will appear 4 years once. Okay, it appears 4 years, every 4 years once. Okay, coming to the next chapter, next page. See here, it is very clearly given. January, how many days? Each and every month, how many days? And you have to learn the spellings of these months. Okay, now we have to fill up the blanks. 10th month of the year. See, just write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Which is the 10th month? October. 12th month? December. Look at this. 12th month. January has how many days? 31 days. November has, look at, November has 30 days. The number of months which have 30 days: 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. The number of months which has 31 days: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The month which has 28 or 20, February. How many months are equals to 1 year? Mm. 12 months equals to 1 year. Okay, here are seasons: summer season, rainy season, and winter. We have 3 seasons. Summer season, February, March, April, May. Rainy season, June, July, August, September. Winter, October, November, December, and January. There are 3 seasons in a year. Generally, these seasons come in 12 months of a year. Okay. Observe the picture given below. Every year from the end of February, March, April, May, we feel too hot. It's summer. Summer season is hot. Wear cotton clothes, we drinks, cold drinks, and the leaves come out, flowers in this season. Nature give us sweet mangoes in this season. See here, it's a rainy season. Okay, June, July, August, and September. It's we wear raincoat, we use umbrellas. Okay, childrens like to play. We can plant trees. Okay, October, November, December, and January are the cold months of the year. We wear sweater, we drink hot milk, we like to eat hot. Okay, in some part of the country there is a snowfall also. Okay, there is an activity, children. Color the months according to the seasons. Use blue for winter. This will be homework, children. You have to use winter. Winter starts where? See, children. October, November, December, January. You should color these 4 in blue. Yellow for summer. February, March, April, May. Yellow. February, March, April, and May. and green for 1, 2, 3, 4 children. Okay. Name of the months in the lunar calendar means we have a lunar calendar also. Chaitra, Vaishaka, Jyeshtha, Ashada, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwija, Kartika, Margashirya, Pushya, Magha, Palguna. Summer in the months of children. What are the months of the summer? It starts from February and ends by May. You write down, children. It will be also a homework. It is given here clearly. See, summer, February, March, April. These you have to write here. Winter in 4 months. Rainy in 4 months. Okay? Fill it. And next, day and night. See, it is very, what will be the difference you find in the above picture? We work during daytime, sleep during night, birds are flying during daytime, nest during night times. During daytime we get sunlight. We use artificial light in the night. In full moon day, half of the time is day and half of the time is night. Day begins sunrise and night begins sunset. Day ends with the sunset and night ends with the sunrise. This happens every day. This is a routine of the nature. Okay.